guys, we're going to do a video. This video is going to be a way to deal with an overview of like the waiter sweep, how to stop that, how to deal with it before you get swept. All right, so when I do this standing guard break attempt and pass, right, he's going to start doing that, okay? Now, you know, a lot of times people will make a mistake on this one and we'll try and make him go backwards. It's sideways, right? So make me go sideways with your legs, Michael. And then he gets his hips up. The faster you get your hips up and over, the less of a threat the leg entanglement will be, okay? Same thing on the double ankle sweep. I see the sit-up sweep, the double ankle sweep, and this waiter sweep. Even though the sit-up sweep is lower, you're doing the same thing with your hips on all of them, right? That sort of double butterfly dummy sweep where you have both ankles, same thing there too, right? So what we're going to do here is I'm going to do something this real subtle when Michael dives under my leg. And he can do this even when I have in the biceps, right? So here, right, I turn my knee in, right? Once he's got a good closed guard, I need to get my head up over to this side. When I do that, right, here, boom. Now, I'm always like coming up on this leg too. It's like, you know, I want to acquire inside position, right? I'm kind of wishboning him here, right? Just whatever passing route you like to go to from there. But when you just turn your knee in, that's the big one for me, right? On this, it stops his sweep, and we'll look at that. I won't even open your guard and pass and stuff, right? So here, try that waiter sweep. It's stupid. Oh, cool thing I learned recently, right? But yeah, do it again. Right? Basic. All right. Thanks, guys.